Scrap metal recycling offers a treasure trove of creative possibilities for small projects. Intriguing ideas that could inspire your next DIY project or YouTube video. Functional and decorative items. Let's explore some intriguing ideas that could inspire your next DIY project or YouTube video. First up, consider crafting a stylish lamp. Using an old metal pipe or a discarded wrench as the base, you can add a bulb holder and lampshade for a unique, industrial-style light fixture. By attaching various metal pieces to the base, such as old gears or brackets, you can customize the lamp's appearance to fit your personal style. This project is a fantastic way to repurpose metal and create a functional piece of art for any room. Another project idea is to build a custom wall clock. Start with a large metal disc, like an old frying pan or a steel plate, and turn it into a clock face. Attach clock hands in a mechanism to the center, and use scrap metal for the hour markers. You can also incorporate other metal elements for decoration, such as old tools or metal scraps, giving the clock a rugged, industrial feel. For those who enjoy gardening, transforming scrap metal into planters can be both practical and artistic. Use old metal buckets, cans, or even small barrels as containers for your plants. You can paint them or attach other metal pieces to create an interesting design. If you're up for a challenge, try making a tiered planter by stacking metal pots of various sizes, secured with metal rods. Creating garden art with scrap metal is another excellent project. You can use scrap pieces to make sculptures, such as flowers, animals, or abstract forms. By welding or riveting metal parts together, you can create eye-catching decorations for your garden or yard. For a more whimsical touch, consider making a metal wind spinner or kinetic sculpture that moves with the breeze. A functional and stylish option is to make a metal coat rack. Use an old metal rod or pipe as the base and attach various scrap metal hooks or handles for hanging coats, hats, and bags. You can customize the design by using different types of metal, such as iron for a rustic look or stainless steel for a modern touch. Adding a base or backing plate made from metal scraps can also enhance the functionality and stability of the coat rack. For home decor, consider creating a metal photo frame. Use scrap metal pieces to form the frame, cutting and welding them into shape. You can add decorative elements like gears, old keys, or other metal objects to personalize the frame. This project combines functionality with artistry, making it a great way to display cherished photos or artwork. Another inventive project is making a metal wall-mounted bottle opener. Attach a scrap metal piece, such as an old gear or plate, to a backing board and add a bottle opener mechanism. You can also include a small shelf or hooks for added functionality, creating a useful and stylish addition to your kitchen or bar area. For a fun and practical project, try building a metal key holder. Use a metal plate or a piece of scrap metal as the base and attach small metal hooks or nails to it. You can personalize the key holder with decorative metal elements or by painting it to match your home's decor. This project is simple yet effective, keeping your keys organized and easily accessible. Creating a scrap metal wind chime is another enjoyable project. Use metal tubes, rods, or even old cutlery to make the chimes. Suspend them from a metal ring or frame, and make sure they can move freely to produce a pleasing sound when the wind blows. You can paint or decorate the chimes with other metal scraps to make them visually appealing. Finally, consider making metal furniture accents. Using scrap metal, you can create drawer pulls, cabinet handles, or even decorative metal inlays for furniture. This project allows you to repurpose old metal items into functional pieces that add a unique touch to your home decor.